Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Today we are going to see exercise 2 in more division chapter. So exercise 2, divide and check the answer. So we are going to divide and then check the answer. So 42 divided by 9. 42 is the dividend, 9 is the divisor. So shall we check in 9 table? 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54. So listen, it is less than the divisor, so we have to take 2 digits. Whether 42 is there? No. So which is 45 only is there, so which is nearby 42? 36. Okay, we should not write 45 because it is greater than 42. So we should write 9 fours are 36. How many times? 9 fours are 36. So if you subtract 2 minus 6, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow from 4. So it becomes 3. It becomes 12. So 12 minus 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6. Then 3 minus 3, 0. So what is quotient? Quotient equal to 4. Remainder equal to 6. Next, we are going to check. So, what is the formula to check? I told you in the introduction class. So, dividend equal to quotient into divisor, plus remainder. So, if you multiply quotient into divisor and then if you add with remainder, you should get the dividend. Then only your answer is correct. So, what is quotient here? Quotient is 4. Then divisor is 9 plus remainder is 6. So, if you multiply 4 nines are 36. 4 into 9, 4 nines are 36 plus 6. So, 36 plus 6, 42. So what is dividend? Dividend also 42. So therefore, hence the answer is correct. Hence the answer is correct. Next one, same, we are going to divide and then check the, so we are going to divide and then check the answer. 77 divided by 8. So 77 is the dividend, 8 is the divisor. So listen children, here 7 is less than 8. So we have to take 77 and then check. So we'll write 8 table, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72. So how many times? So 77 will not come in 8 table. So which is nearby number? 72 because 8 tens are 80. So 8 nines are 72. So if you subtract 7 minus 2, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5. 7 minus 7, 0. So what is quotient? 9. Remainder equal to 5. So we have to check the answer. So to check, what is the formula to check? Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So what is quotient? 9. Divisor is 8 plus remainder is 5. So 9 8s are 72 plus 5. So 72 plus 5, 77. So dividend equal to 77. Therefore, hence the answer is correct. Hence the answer is correct. Next one, we are going to divide 46 divided by 6. So 46 is dividend, 6 is the divisor. See, listen children, here 4 is less than the divisor. So we'll take 46 and then we'll check. So we'll write 6 tables, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. So listen, nearby 46 is 42. How many times? 7 times. So 6 7s are 42. So if you subtract 6 minus 2, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Quotient equal to 7. Remainder equal to 4. So to check, what is the formula to check? Dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So quotient 7 into divisor 6 plus remainder 4. So what is 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4, 46. So what is dividend? Dividend is 46. So hence the answer is correct. Hence the answer is correct. Next one, 50 divided by 5. So 50 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor. So how will you do? You know 5 tables, so we'll check. First 5 is equal to 5, so we'll take 5 alone. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Next we have to carry this 0. So 0, 5 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. What is quotient? 10. Remainder equal to 0. So what is the formula to check? To check dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So what is quotient? Quotient equal to 10, divisor equal to 5 plus remainder 0. So what is 10 5s are 50. 50 plus 0, 50. So what is dividend? Dividend also 50. So therefore, hence the answer is correct. Thank you children. We'll see you tomorrow.